Apple is carbon neutral, and by 2030, every single Apple product will be too. We're working to make every iPhone, iPad, watch, and Mac with 100% recycled or renewable materials. We're finding new ways to extract aluminum, steel, tin, tungsten, and plastic from recycled Apple products. We're growing enough trees and recycling enough paper to sustain all our packaging. But that's just what goes into our products. What about how they're made? Hundreds of manufacturers, distributors, testers, assemblers, disassemblers, and material makers are all upgrading to 100% renewable energy. A lot of them are even going zero waste. That covers our supply chain. But what about all of you? This is a big one. Apple devices are all over the world. And by 2030, all of the electricity charging all of your devices will be 100% renewable. That's right, even yours. Because Apple is going carbon neutral. Apple has a plan.